So the 2.3 liter EcoBoost does a great job at getting this truck up. Pretty powerful engine. I'm just quite impressed with just how it goes in general. I'm used to driving the Colorados with the naturally aspirated 4 or the V6. So actually getting behind the wheel of this Ranger, I haven't driven one in several years. Just very, very, very impressed with how this gives out power. Now, in terms of the driving dynamics, pretty similar to the Colorado in that sense. Of course, they are both in the same segment, but I think having the leather wrapped steering wheel here on the XLT is nice. Makes a huge difference as opposed to having a vinyl wrapped steering wheel. Feels great. And then also having the 10-speed automatic, just a big, big plus compared to the outgoing Colorados. Now when the 23 Colorado and Canyons come out, I can't wait to drive those and compare. So this Ranger is very, is quite quick off the line. I am extremely impressed with how, at that red light, when I was ready, I let my foot off the brake, gave it some gas, and the 10-speed shifts so well, even through this floor shifter here, and it really does put out power quite well. Super, super impressed with how this drives. So now that I've driven this and I see how fast it really is, I'm not mad about the 19 miles per gallon city 24 highway that the EPA says this gets, because it gets several points added back for being just so quick. And that turbo really does its thing. It really does. So I'm gonna turn the cruise on. Ride quality seems to be really good. Bumps are just a tad harsh, but compared to the Tacoma and the Colorado, probably one of the better ride qualities I've experienced. And pretty good sound acoustics in the cabin. Ooh, that brake pedal's very strong as well. I just don't remember this Ranger being this impressive the first time I drove it, but I'm quite impressed with it now. So this is probably my #1 choice right now before the new Colorados and Canyons come out, because those interiors definitely have a one-up on everyone else in the industry. And then they're getting the new turbocharged 4-cylinder, I think it's a 2.7. So other than that, right now, this Ranger to me is a top dog in the small mid-sized truck range. So if you're in the market, definitely make sure you take a look, because you will not be disappointed with this 2023 Ford Ranger XLT.